Oh no. Where's my wallet? I had it just a minute ago.
Excuse me, miss. You look worried. Is everything all right?
I think I lost my wallet. I was just here a few minutes ago, and now I can't find it.
Did you check under the table or near your seat?
Yes, I just did. It's not here, thank you.
Let me help you look around. Maybe someone found it and gave it to the staff. No problem. I know how it feels to lose something important. Let's ask the cashier. Hi, did anyone hand in a wallet recently?
Yes. A customer found a brown wallet and gave it to us. Can you describe it?
That's very kind of you. Yes, it's brown leather with a gold zip. There's a photo of my dog inside.
That's the one. Here you go.
Oh, thank you so much. I was really scared. I don't know how to thank you.
I'm glad you got it back. That would be nice.
Can I buy you a coffee?
Let's sit and talk.
Sure. I'm Ria, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Ria. I'm Tom.